In this video, I will show you how to fix Strava not syncing to Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app, then head back to your home screen and open the Strava app. In Strava, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Next, tap the Settings gear at the top right. Once you're in Settings, go to Manage Apps and Devices. Under Services, tap on Health. From here, just make sure that automatic uploads and send to health are both switched on. This should get your Strava workouts syncing properly with Apple Health again. And once it's connected, your future workouts should update automatically without you needing to do anything. And that's how to fix Strava not syncing to Apple Health.